Parents, do you know that over 70% of AP chemistry problems require a solid understanding of mole and mole calculations? And if your teen doesn't master the mole, they will get stuck on problems and calculation and nearly every test question from the first unit until the last unit of the AP chemistry course. So in the next couple of minutes, I will walk you through the most common misunderstandings most students have regarding the mole concepts, and this costs them at least 2 grade levels in AP chemistry course and exam. And once your teen get to fully grasp the mole concept and how to apply it, preferably before starting AP chemistry, everything in this advanced college level course will become way easier and they can start strong in AP chemistry, feel confident, and ace their quizzes and tests. And if you want to get access to our hands-on workshop on mole and mole calculations for your teen, message me or comment below the word mole master and I will send you the link. For those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Cristina Gherasim and I'm the director of acechemistrytutoring.com and topstemacademy.com, where we empower high achievers to ace IGCSE, IB and AP, chemistry and other STEM subjects so they can get accepted into the top pre-med, medicine and STEM majors and access their dream careers. And as promised, in the next couple of minutes, I will walk you through the 3 biggest misconceptions most students have regarding the mole concept and how this affects their scores in AP chemistry. But first of all, why this matters? Why is this mole concept so important? Well, the mole concept is the most important concept in chemistry, and students who don't master it before stepping foot in AP chemistry class lose lots of points right from the first quizzes and tests. So if your teen can't confidently work on problems with mole and mole calculations, they will lose lots of points in all tests, which will add up so their scores go down to 2 grade levels or more. That's how students lose confidence fast in AP chemistry and drop out of AP chemistry, which is a disaster for high achievers who aim for ACE and 4 and 5 so they can get into pre-med or top colleges. And yes, most students struggle with moles and mole calculations, even after honors chemistry. Actually, most of them struggle. And this is one of the first things we work with students when they join our ACE Chemistry Accelerator chemistry coaching program. And once we fix this, their scores start to increase in a matter of weeks. We even have students like Serena and Timothy who went from failing their first AP chemistry test to scoring ACE and acing their AP chemistry exam. And I share this so your teen can get to master the mole and step into the AP chemistry feeling confident and become able to access top scores too. And yes, if you ever wonder why some students breeze to AP chemistry while others drop out, this is one of the key concepts that makes the difference between failure and success in AP chemistry. So it's not about studying harder, but it's really about studying smarter and building a strong foundation to become able to tackle all types of problems and exercises in AP chemistry, build confidence, score high, and secure a high GPA. So let's break down the most common mistakes students make when working with moles and how your teen can avoid these mistakes and have actually an unfair advantage in AP chemistry. So the 3 biggest issues students face with the mole concepts are, first of all, is misunderstanding Avogadro's number and the mole concept. This actually gets them mistakes in lots of easy and medium difficulty MCQs and FRQs, which account for a lot of easy points lost on quizzes and tests. And this is actually very easy to fix it. So that's good news. The second is struggling with conversions between grams, moles, and particles. These appear in a lot of AP chemistry problems. Not getting this right will carry mistakes throughout FRQs and actually gets them not being able to answer certain MCQs based on this kind of calculations. But the good news is that once students master this, they start to see their score increase and their confidence will soar because they will feel like they really get it. And the third is not knowing when and how to use mole ratios in chemical calculations. Together with the first 2 skills discussed so far, being able to use moles and mole ratio in chemical calculation is a must to not only survive but to ace chemistry. It is required so they can calculate quantities based on chemical reactions, which are the majority of AP chemistry problems, and helps them maximize their scores on quizzes and tests and thrive in this fast-paced college-level chemistry class without working day and night. So bottom line, mastering the moles and mole calculation now will make AP chemistry 10 times easier for your teen. So your teen will breeze to AP chemistry while others barely pass. So drop a mole master in the comments or DM me the word mole master and I will send you the link to get access to our hands-on workshop on mole and mole calculation. So your teen can master this key skill for solving problems and become able to access top scores in AP chemistry.